Hi, I'm Victoria Wells. Welcome to my class, Magic Sugar Cookie Dough. That's right, this dough is magic. In this class, I'm going to show you how to make 4 different types of cookies from a single batch of dough. Like I said, magic. I first developed this recipe many years ago with the help of my 3 kids. Each time we'd make cookies, everyone, including me, would want to make their favorite. I certainly didn't want to make 4 batches of cookies. That would be a lot of dough and a lot of work too. So I wondered, how could I make everyone happy, and was that even possible? Well, with Magic Sugar Cookie Dough, it is. My eldest got his favorite, and he was the absolute best at making each cookie exactly the same. He was very precise with each one. My next eldest, well, he's the artist in the family, and his favorite cookies he would make shape by hand into a work of art. The baby of the family, my daughter, was amazing at pressing the peanut butter cookies with fork tines to make a perfect crosshatch design, and she always had lots of suggestions for new types of cookies. We always had a blast making these magic cookies together, so I'm sure you'll have a great time making them with your kids or grandkids too. In this class, I'm going to show you how to make 2 basic doughs, vanilla and butterscotch, each of which can be used to make 4 different types of cookies per batch. You'll be able to make from a single batch peanut butter cookies, chocolate chip Pecan Sandies sandwich cookies, and that's just a taste. I'll walk you through each recipe, showing you how to mix the dough by hand or in a stand mixer. You'll learn the magic of making 4 different kinds of cookies from each batch, and I'll also give you lots of options for many other kinds simply by altering a couple of things. I'll demonstrate how to shape each type of cookie depending on which sort you've chosen to make, and how to bake them too. Each batch of Magic Sugar Cookie Dough will make about 4 dozen depending on how you choose to shape them and what size you want them to be. That means you can make a dozen each of the 4 different kinds of cookies. That should keep everyone happy, hopefully. In the next video, we'll go over everything you need for your first batch, including the ingredients as well as the equipment required. Along the way, I'll also make suggestions to make the process easier and stress-free, and I'll be sharing a few tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. Thanks for joining my class, and I'll see you in the next video.